New way to enhance low quality photo to 4K high definition, better than Remini. No one shared with you till the date. As from now, free of cost. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're fine. New to my channel, subscribe to support because after watching this video, you have no need to watch any video for the photo enhancement. This is the Robot New. You will get 20 credits free of cost on the daily basis. In 20 free photo enhancements, select the photo by click on the bottom left side plus icon and then type prompt enhance photo using code AI UHD model, comma, improve to 4K details and clarity. That's it. This will take some time for processing and here is the processed image, mean enhanced image, much better, sharp, detailed. This is the real quick, no buzz, no ads, free of cost. So subscribe now. This is much better than Remini. Overall face details, clothes, hairs, each and everything much improved and better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. 80 plus videos available regarding video enhancer, including Topaz on mobile. Check it out to level up your videos. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you soon in the new video.